this quickly.
Who could that be? Hey bro, how's it going for you?
Good, how about you?
Fine. But some tragic stuff has happened recently.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that, bro.
It's fine, I have just been pushing through it like it's normal.
Well, bro, if you ever need anything, I'm always here.
Okay. Now let's play a couple rounds.
Only a couple though, I still need to make dinner.
Okay. How are you so good?
It's a little thing called skill.
I guess that ruins the purpose of the phrase, practice makes perfect.
Haha, laugh it up, you're just salty that I won.
Maybe I am, but I'm going to win next round.
No you aren't, you little bit.
Whoa, calm down. Bro, what are you watching?
This cool guy called Darman.
Bro. You watched our man, he is so cringe.
Shut up, no he isn't.
You should just come play framed with me.
I'm kind of tired, but maybe we can play Arsenal after this video.
And then we can watch a movie.
Sounds good to me.